Add 1 point if you heard this viral song.
Hands up, Gabriella, Gabriella.
Give yourself 1 point for each song you recognize. If you score more than 5, then you're officially king or queen of social media trends. Easy mode. Bonus round. At 1 point if you're one of the rare trend experts who subscribe and like the video. Now let's upgrade to normal mode.
I'm not that easy to tame.
I need a new heart, a new heart.
Now add 1 point if you think you keep up with trends better than the first person that pops up when you click share, and then more. Now expert mode.
I know a place.
Type in the comment how